This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Allega. Contemporary condo in uber convenient location. Just a block to the streetcar. Located midway between downtown and South Waterfront. One of the best floor plans available for a one-bedroom condo. Den is large enough to accommodate a Murphy bed or have an office or library. Kitchen has plentiful storage, a whole wall of cabinetry and an island with butcher block top and wine storage. Ceiling fans west/remotes in the living room and bedroom. Blackout blinds in master bedroom. Impeccably maintained. For more information, review the details below or contact Allega at 503-287-8989.